Lubegard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.
Welcome to the Lubegard Kooler Kleen transmission cooler line flush with 2-in-1 fitting, part number 19001-UNV product overview. OEMs state that the transmission oil coolers must be flushed whenever transmissions are replaced or contaminants such as metal particles and clutch material may become trapped in the radiators, cooling hoses, bypass valves, or external oil coolers. In severe cases, the debris can block or restrict flow and may cause damage to the newly installed units. Lubegard Kooler Kleen transmission flush uses a proprietary mixture of detergents to effectively clean the cooler and cooler lines in automatic, CVT, DCT, and manual transmissions. It is a perfect alternative to a hot flush machine, which normally costs thousands of dollars. It safely removes grease, dirt, grime, metal shavings, and friction materials and will not degrade new fluids. Unlike other flush cans, Lubegard Kooler Kleen doesn't contain any water that can damage the replacement transmissions. Our award-winning formula hasn't changed, but it is now better than ever with our combination 2-in-1 fitting. Every can is now equipped with our universal tip that can be easily unscrewed to reveal our original 5/16 hexagon fitting underneath. This new combination tip allows you to easily service more transmissions without the need to stock multiple cans or fittings. Kooler Kleen will flush out grease, dirt, sludge, and metal shavings. It inhibits the return of foreign deposits, including rust. It leaves no water or soapy residue to contaminate new transmission fluid. It prevents contamination of new or rebuilt units and will not harm seals and contains no CFCs or chlorinated solvents. OEM and large rebuilder approved and ideal for those that do not have a dedicated flushing machine. Reduces warranty claims and is essential for installers and others that ship out transmissions. To apply Kooler Kleen, shake the can well before use. Attach the connector to the transmission feed line. Next, attach a hose to the transmission return line to collect flush and residue into a waste container. Hold can upright and actuate. Flush until clear. For best results, use entire contents of the can per installation. Then, turn the can upside down and continue cleaning with air only. For more information, visit our website at lubegard.com.
Lubegard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.